My 7-year-old daughter, Penny, has been asking for money to buy things like lip gloss and Pokemon cards, and instead of just handing her the cash, I recently decided, why not hire her inside of my business? I have a business and it's one that she could actually contribute to. Why not just hire her? She gets the extra money she wants, and it's actually a smart business move for me as well. Hi, I'm Mary, and this is Create with Pennies, where we talk about building profitable businesses, and I recently went through Jamie Trull's How to Hire Your Kids course because I wanted to hire my daughter and I wanted to do it the right way without getting into trouble. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing some of the easy, real jobs I discovered during this process that your kids can do in your business in case you are interested in hiring your own child. I'm going to share what's worked for us so far and how hiring Penny has helped her understand money, work, and even start building long-term wealth, which is one of the key reasons why you might want to hire your kids. So let's start with that and why I decided to hire my daughter. She started asking for money for all these little items more often, and the older she gets, the more she asks for things. And instead of just saying yes or no to her, I said, sure, but you'll have to earn it. And originally I was thinking about that as an allowance, but it actually opened up a whole new way for her to learn what work looks like. So it's not just things like cleaning up her room, but it's helping me with jobs in my content creation business, like filming videos, like setting scenes up for me. And it helps me too, because now I have real help inside my business with things that I could hire someone else to do and don't have to do for myself. The cool thing is, once your kid has earned income, they can open wealth building accounts like a Roth IRA for kids that will grow over the decades and provide immense wealth in their future. So now not only is my daughter earning money inside of my business, but she's also starting to contribute to her future retirement account at 7 years old. So that will build huge wealth for her, and I'm so excited to be able to provide that opportunity and set her up for a much easier life. Like I said, I did get a course to learn how to do this and to hire my daughter. I wanted to do it the right way, so I went through Jamie's course about hiring your kids. I knew that she had hired her own kids and taught lots of other business owners how to do it, so I knew that I could learn the right way to set things up and structure it so I would not make a mistake. I will leave the link for her course down in the description box if you want to check it out. She also has a really helpful YouTube channel as well, and I have learned a lot from her. So let's talk about some of the jobs you can hire your kids for in your own business. So this is something that took a little bit of work to figure out what I could hire Penny for, but it's been great so far. Let's talk about jobs for younger kids first. So kids, my kids' age, 5 to 7, 5 to 9, the younger kids, and these are going to be super simple, fun jobs, but they also teach responsibility and follow through. First one is a sticker or label helper, someone that can put things onto stickers if you have a product or stamp your envelopes. Little kids love this one. They like to seal envelopes. They like to add thank you stickers and put return labels on packages. It's a really simple one and something they can help with. Next is a photo or video helper. And this is actually what I mainly have my daughter do. And this is where they help you film short clips or take product photos, set things up for you, take things down, put them away, actually do the filming, because most kids know how to use iPhone and make a video. This is honestly, by the age of 7, something my daughter could do easily because she knows her way around an iPhone better than some adults. So this was an obvious choice for us. Next idea is an inventory counter. So you can give your child a list, they can count the items and mark totals. It's math practice, and it actually helps you to make sure you have the right amount of items. Next is office organizer. Your child can sort supplies, color code things, and tidy up your shelves, make things organized. If you are not the most organized person and they are not either, this could not be the right one for you, but if they're just naturally more organized, this is a great job. Next is a packing assistant, and this is great if you have a physical product you ship out to people. They can be in charge of packing up items if they're not breakable, or even if they are, depending on the child, but they can also add thank you notes, they can add additional items, they can seal up the boxes and tape them together, they can help you pack mailers. There's lots of options there. Next option is a welcome helper. If you do local events or pop-ups, or you even have your own shop, your child can help greet people and hand out flyers and direct people on where to go. Keeps them busy, it gives them some ownership of the business, and honestly super adorable when people come in and the child is like, here, go here for this and go there for that. I actually love stuff like that, so it works really well for customers too when they see your child involved and helping. Let's talk about some jobs now for older kids that are tweens, like 10 to 13, because as they get a little bit older, you can give them slightly more more technical and creative tasks, and you can kind of expand what they do and what they know. The first one on this list is a Canva designer, and your child can make graphics from templates or resize photos for social media, or if they're super creative, they can do all of your graphic design and marketing materials in Canva. This is something that, depending on the skill level, can be something they learn on their own, something you teach them, or just something that they start to play with and learn over time. Another option is a digital organizer, and this is something where your child can do things that organize all of your digital items. Just like when the younger kids organizing the office and physical items, organizing your digital stuff is so important and something that I also could use in my business. Clearing out old items from your digital storage. There's lots of things that you probably should be doing and don't have time for that your child can go through and just clean things up and make things more organized. Another job idea here is customer thank you note writer. And if you send out products, having a handwritten card from your child or just from your business in general can be a great addition. Let's talk about now jobs for older kids. So if you have a teenager, 14 and up, if they're getting to the age where they can have an actual job, then this gets a lot easier, because once your kids are teens, they can take on tasks that actually save you a lot of time and money. One of those jobs, which is really helpful, is a social media assistant or manager. And this is doing things like scheduling your posts, pulling the top comments for future content, tagging products on your social media or on your website. It can be so helpful. Another online job that can be really helpful for a teen is a short form video editor. So this is things like trimming clips, adding captions, exporting for reels or YouTube shorts, basically creating the videos that you're going to be sharing online. This is something that can be really helpful for both the child learning a skill and for you if you don't have to hire outside of the family for this job, because most businesses should have some form of short form video going. Another job for this age range is data entry or website updates. So if there are any sort of things that need to be updated for your business online on the computer, if you're updating your frequently asked questions, if you're changing product photos, if you're updating product descriptions, cleaning up files, all of these things can be wrapped into a job that your teen can do. Another job idea for a teenager is a shipping runner. So if they're old enough to drive, this can be really helpful, and they can handle all of those post office drop-offs and supply pickups, and basically any little task that you need to be done that involves driving, they can go do it. That's a great one if you have a child that can drive. Another option for a teenager, or actually honestly any age, is modeling or on-camera work. So if your business involves products or content, your kids can help with that too. If they appear in your photos, videos, or marketing, that's actually modeling or acting work, and they should be paid for that, and you can pay them for that through your business. We only do this when Penny actually wants to, and I actually don't let her show her face in videos, but when she is in a video showing off a product with her hands or something, I do always allow her to do that, and I pay her for that work. I ask permission before using any sort of photo or video of her, even if it's just her hands, but when she does show up in a YouTube clip or thumbnail, she gets paid for it. That is a job, and that is something that I pay her through my business for, and anyone should be doing it if they're using their child in a video. Those are just a few of the ideas. Personally, I am really focused on the video options because I am a video creator. So right now, my daughter is helping me by being in videos, setting up videos for me, helping me do review videos, and those little tasks that are around content creation. Later on, I'm hoping that she can start using Canva and she can start editing videos and creating short form videos. For now, she's doing the smaller, easier tasks because she's 7. Honestly, hiring my daughter has been one of the best things I've done for both of us. She is learning that money comes from work and not just from asking for it. My daughter is very proud of earning her own paycheck, and she's been saving it and spending it in a really responsible way considering she's 7. And because it's earned income, we've actually opened up her first Roth IRA, and she is now being able to invest her money into her future too. And yes, she's also earning money for Pokemon cards. So she's building wealth, and she's also enjoying money that I could have just given her, but instead she's been able to work for, and she's doing all of this before she's even a teenager. So here's a few tips on setting this up and things that I learned from Jamie's course about how to hire your kids that is really important. First, the work has to be real. It has to be something that you would actually pay someone else money to do. Even if you wouldn't pay them to do it and you're going to do it yourself, it has to be something that you could pay someone else to do, and you're paying your kid. So that makes sense, but it has to be real work. It's not just, sit in my room and you'll get paid. Number 2, you have to pay a reasonable rate for their age and skill level. So you're not going to be paying your child $100,000 $50 to occasionally help you set up a video or to film and edit a short form video. It has to be reasonable and make sense for their age and the skill level of the work they're doing. Number 3, you need to track the hours and payments just like you would with any employee. This is an employee situation, so you need to make sure that it's all written down, it's all in there, and it all makes sense. Number 4, document the work. And this is important because if you ever get audited and need to kind of provide documentation, you want to have this to give them. So take photos, save notes, keep proof that your child is actually working and you can show that they are doing the work. Number 5, keep the task safe and age appropriate. Like I said in the video, there's different levels for what your 8-year-old is going to be doing versus what an 18-year-old is going to be doing. Make sure the work that you give them is age appropriate and fits their skill level at that age. I've learned a lot through this process. Jamie walks you through all the steps of this in her course, what forms you need, how to pay them, and it changes depending on your business structure. So I can't give tips on that without getting really deep into the weeds. But if you want to learn exactly how to do this properly, go to Jamie Trull's course, How to Hire Your Kids. I have a link in the description box that you can use, and that's what I've done. And it made everything so much easier. I'll link it down below for you so you can get started really quickly. So if you are a business owner and your kids keep asking you for money, maybe consider hiring them. It's not for everyone, but it does teach work ethic, it does help your business, and it does start their financial future early, which is a fantastic gift to give them as well. If you want the full step-by-step on how to set this up, how to pay them, how to file the paperwork and make it actually work and make it work legally, definitely check out the course I will link down below on how to hire your kids. It's great and I learned a lot through it. If you found this video helpful, definitely subscribe to Create with Pennies. I will share more videos about hiring your kids, and I would love to know what job you might hire your kid for in your business.